Good morning. It's Monday, June 19th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. A stormy start, and if you haven't seen the storms yet in southeast Georgia, they are on the way. Plenty of lightning with this, so a lot of thunder from Atlanta all the way down to Columbus, and some strong thunderstorms move through Athens. Nothing severe yet, but that is going to change momentarily, I think, with some severe thunderstorm warnings we see in southeast Alabama starting to move into southwest Georgia toward Blakely and eventually into Albany. And we do have a tornado watch, what's left of one in southwest Alabama. Now, we'll see if we have any watches extended into Georgia. As for right now, we are warning and watch free, but we'll keep an eye on that as we move through the day today. So what's causing all this? We can zoom out a little bit and take a look at this low-pressure center right over the Land Between the Lakes Park up in the Kentucky-Tennessee area. And then part of this is a frontal boundary. It kind of stretches like this, a big old frontal system, and that is what's causing those thunderstorms to pop up through the day today. Now, that low-pressure system is going to move south, heading toward Georgia. That's going to help push a lot of our severe weather to the south along with it, down into Florida, but we'll still have thunderstorms throughout the day tomorrow and actually throughout the rest of the week. We'll check out the timing of all that. Let's take a look at our temperatures. Low 70s in South Georgia, plenty of humidity. Keep those thunderstorms going. Mid to upper 60s in North Georgia. Here's our severe weather outlook for today. Level 2 out of 5 risk covers Columbus, Albany, Valdosta, over to Statesboro, all the way up into Milledgeville. Augusta is in there as well, and the rest of the state, with the exception of Dade County, Georgia. That extreme northwest corner is in a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather today. So, yes, another active day, especially for South Georgia. And then, as I mentioned, with that low-pressure system dropping south, most of our thunderstorms, the severe thunderstorms anyway, will stay to our south. We'll see some embedded thunderstorms with our showers through the day tomorrow, but our level 1 out of 5 risk, mainly for extreme South Georgia. And then things get even quieter, or we'll just call it calmer, on Wednesday, first day of summer. It'll still be cloudy with thunderstorms throughout the day, but our severe weather risk is fairly low. And as I mentioned, rain all week long. Let's take a look at our estimated totals. This may be a little bit on the conservative side, especially in the northwest and southeast corners of the state, showing under 2 inches of rain through the rest of the week. But some spots in southwest Georgia showing close to 4 inches of rain. So we could probably expect anywhere from 2 to 3.5 inches of rain for most places over Georgia when it's all said and done through Friday evening. So, yeah, that's a good bit of rain. One more thing to look at before we get to the modeling. The tropics, we do have a good chance of another named storm popping up over, starting to move toward the central Atlantic. Another system in the yellow X to the east of that, probably going to lose a lot of strength due to the red X, so it's probably going to fizzle away, but we'll watch out for another named storm. Looks like that's going to veer off to the north before reaching the east coast. But again, something to watch. We're getting into that time of year. The modeling looks good this morning as far as its initialization. It's timing out just right, so we can almost take this to the bank, maybe about a half hour off as far as getting to you, maybe there about a half hour quicker. So by 9 or 8:30 or so, we're going to see those thunderstorms moving through Albany, Tifton, and Cordele, and even stretching on up toward the north and the northeast Georgia. And they continue to move at a pretty good pace southeast Georgia toward the coastline at 11:30 or noon. And again, a few of those could be strong to severe. Now, on the backside of the line, look at all that activity popping back up again around 1, 2 o'clock today up in middle Georgia up toward metro Atlanta. Again, a few of those could go strong to severe, so there's still going to be some energy in the atmosphere even with this line moving through this morning. So we'll look out for that as we continue through the day today. And another little line developing there from Gainesville through Atlanta down to LaGrange. Could show us some strong thunderstorms there. Showers continue overnight tonight. Will be cloudy, a little foggy tomorrow morning. And then just those scattered showers continue through the day. There's that center of the low that was up in Tennessee, Kentucky. That's right over Atlanta by tomorrow afternoon. So that continues to give that rising air, more showers throughout the day. And then we head into Wednesday. We start off summer with clouds, showers scattered throughout the state. And some of those showers could be heavy. Again, our severe weather risk is relatively low. So that's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Here's your local forecast now from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.